I think, what time did we go home? I think we went home 10:30 na, ganyan. Diba?
No,
Is it?
It was 9.
Are you sure? Hindi. 10:30 ata. I'm not sure. So, we just had our breakfast with my baby. Kala niyo ako lang mag-isa dun sa hotel, no? Maybe they thought I was the only one in the hotel. I don't know. I'm just guessing.
Why would they think that you're the only one in the hotel?
I don't know. Kasi mga guys kasi mga paranoid. Kasi ginagawa kasi nila yun eh. They're like sleeping with women, right? So, they know, they will think that if you're in a hotel in the morning, you should have a guy with you. I mean, I could just pick up any guy if I want to. But, I'm not doing that because, you know, it's like, I don't know. It's just that, yeah. It's better talaga that you like someone. Na yun talagang gusto mo siya, comfortable ka. But if you don't like that person that much, yeah, that would be so annoying. That would be awkward to, you know, sleep with that person. So, yeah. I don't know, kasi ang hirap naman kasing sometimes kasi you don't know when it will happen eh. Kasi if the guy wants it, it will happen. Like if he really wants it. Mga guys, lalo na pag nasa Japan ako, mga guys doon walang hiya-hiya. They will grab the opportunity. Talaga mas aggressive ang mga guys sa Japan. Kasi wala masyadong, hindi kasi masyadong lumalapit ang mga women doon. Hindi katulad dito, maraming mga easy to get. Maraming easy to get dito sa Philippines, kaya marami silang choices yung mga guys. Pero pag nasa Japan kayo, hindi easy to get mga babae doon. Babae kayo na super laki. Before you can sleep with them. Yeah. Kaya it's hard to get someone there. Kaya mga guys talaga nag-approach. Unlike here, mas easier to get yung mga women. Like they throw themselves here to any guy na foreigner. Basta AFAM, yeah, they go for it. Oh, it doesn't matter who he is, but if he has money, if he has a job, if he has whatever, yeah, they'll throw themselves whoever it is na may foreign passport. They will not gonna think about their status if they are like, they have a blue collar job or if they have a white collar job, ganyan. They don't care about that one. Well, I do care, honestly. Majority of the men I dated are white collar job men. Parang meron ba akong, wala naman akong, meron pa akong, parang wala akong natatandaan na blue collar worker ang aking dinong. Parang wala naman. Oo nga, no. Meron ba? Wala. Parang wala. Wala akong someone na who doesn't work for a company, except for my doctor ex-boyfriend. He's not working for a company. I think he works for a hospital or in a hospital. Yeah, but I didn't have any blue collar worker relationships. I don't know why. They think that they don't match with me when it comes to mental capacity. I don't know. Wala talaga akong naging ganun. Siguro kasi sobrang picky ako. And I also protect my money, my assets, my inheritance, and everything. So, yeah. Maybe, siguro ganun. That's why I'm so picky with men. know, wala talaga. Wala akong naisip na blue collar worker, yung mga kunyari, yung mga ano ba yung mga blue collar worker, yung mga carpenter, yung mga ganun, or construction worker, or mga fire truck worker, mga ganun. Wala akong mga ganung nagiging guys. I don't know why. Usually na mga guys na talagang may gusto sa akin are mga blue collar, ay mga white collar worker, yung trabaho talaga sa mga companies. I don't know why. Siguro kasi I also work in a company, so yeah. Kaya siguro mga nagkakagusto rin sa akin yung mga may ano din, mga nag-work din sa company. Usually bosses. Bosses, they like to date me. Yung mga bosses yan, gusto nila ako lagi kumakain sa labas with them, ganyan. Kahit minsan ayoko, nakakahiya, baka sabihin I'm using my beauty para lang to be sip-sip with these bosses. Yeah, they usually wanna like, not really like date me, like have lunch with them or something, whatever. Or have dinner, ganyan. Pero I don't know, kasi ngayon parang hindi naman masyadong issue na rin na nagla-lunch ka with your bosses. Pero, I don't know, they usually invite me for lunch or whatever. But my stepfather is a boss also. He used to be, I think, he used to be a chief operating officer of a company here in the Philippines. So, it's not usual for me to like dine in with the bosses kasi boss naman yung stepfather ko sa company niya. Yeah, my dad is really like super galing in everything. He's like good at bowling, golf. He's like good at driving as well. He travels around the world for business. His company sends him to different parts of the world just to attend meetings or seminars or whatever. And also I think he studied abroad as well. Yeah, my dad is really good. God, it's very hard to find someone like my dad, honestly. Like in Philippines, it's very rare to find someone like him. Na pogi, na matalino pa, magaling pa. It's very hard to find something like that. But for foreigners, yes, they have so many guys na ganun, na mga white men, talagang magagaling. I have met some matalino, pogi, sweet, mga ganyan, mga ano sila, mga sobrang successful and very intelligent, ganyan. I have met so many guys like that. Pero sa Philippines, rare yun. My dad is like one of a kind. Siguro I will never gonna find someone like my dad here in Philippines anymore because he's really good. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. I'm going now.